Hi guys, I'm outside our house now using Vivo V19 Neo camera. Anyway, I'm using the front camera for testing. So I just bought this smartphone last February 2021, and the good thing of this phone is you can use this for vlogging because it has already a stabilization camera when it comes to filming, just like what I did today or this afternoon. So this is what looks like when you are using the front video quality of Vivo V19 Neo. So there is a dog. Oh no, there's a dog. So it's up to you guys. You can decide if you really like the video quality of Vivo V19 Neo camera, front camera guys. So while watching this video, you can decide, or it's up to you guys. So at the back, there's a kitten again. A small kitten. Hello kitten. Hello. I can see. Let's see. Go to the front camera. Oh no. Look to the front camera of Vivo V19 Neo. So what can you observe? It's okay. It's fine. It's really amazing. Running test for front camera of Vivo V19 Neo. So it's raining guys. Oh no. It's raining outside our house. This is the front camera while running. So this is the rear camera of Vivo V19 Neo 1080p with stabilization. So this is what looks like when you are using rear camera 1080p with stabilization while walking. So this is what shots that they get. It is just a normal walking with stabilization. Oh, there's a man getting a wine from the coconut. So this is just a normal walking guys, using the 1080p with stabilization camera at Vivo V19 Neo. So this is the good thing while using this camera, because while running it's very shaky, so it has already a stabilization. So this is what the video looks like while running. This is 4K rear camera without stabilization while walking. So this is without stabilization already because using the 4K camera. So it's shaky guys. So this is 4K rear camera without stabilization while running. So that's it. This is ultra wide rear camera of Vivo V19 Neo while walking without stabilization. So this is the video looks like if you are taking a video. So as you can see, it's very shaky because it is without stabilization. So much better if you are using ultra wide camera of Vivo V19 Neo. Much better to use a gimbal, just like what I'm holding now. This is the gimbal. So gimbal has already a stabilization. So while using the ultra wide angle, it will get a better video because gimbal has already a stabilization. This is gimbal. This is ultra wide camera of Vivo V19 Neo using gimbal. This is while walking. So if you observe, it's better because using gimbal, it has already a stabilization. It will get a better shot. Using gimbal, so this is what I am doing now, using gimbal. So much better guys, you have to use gimbal if you are using ultra wide angle camera of Vivo V19 Neo. Kayo ba'y galing sa trabaho? Pagod? Ang gawin nyo lang ay mag-relax, umupo, kumuha ng baso, at magsali ng banayad whiskey. Coconut whiskey. Pagkatapos, uminom. Parang malalasing natin. Malalasing tayo nito, guys. Parang may kulang. Alam ko itong kulang na to. Oh, ito ang kulang natin. Pulutan. Isimar tayo ngayon, guys. Ngayon po ay magmumukbang tayo ng manguan. Ang sarap ng pulutan. Kaslan. Tuba naman eh. Suka naman eh, guys. Dito na lang tayo sa chicharon ni Manguan. Magmumukbang tayo. Excited na ba kayo? Thank you. Yan lang po. Bye-bye. Teka lang. May kulang pa pala. Yan. Tara, biscuits. Kasali din ito sa ating yung mukbang. Nausik. Tamang-tama. Sakto sa coconut.